Here we go, carburettor rebuilt and linked up to a bit of fuel. We have a battery now, we have spark. So let's have a look and see what happens, shall we? Oh dear, a bit cracked in here, but there we go. Let's see. Oh, what? Is that good on what? First kick? Thereabouts. Well, I've got the choke. Hang on, let's turn the choke off. Might be a little bit too juicy. Certainly smells it. Oh. Well, there we go. Whoa, it lives. So at least I can think nice and purrs over nicely. Oh, smoky, but I suppose you'd expect it. It will clear up, I imagine. That's all right.